Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Big Bang Chemistry. Today we are going to discuss the Lewis acidity order or Lewis acidic character of boron halide. So what are the boron halide? Boron halide is what? Boron trifluoride, boron trichloride, boron tribromide and boron triiodide. This A, B, C, D are the what Lewis dot structure of all the boron halides. So when you will observe the all four structure, then you will find that all halides of the boron are the what electron deficient species. Electron deficient species means what? Do not having the what complete octet. These are having the what incomplete octet. Meaning is what? It is having the what 6 electron in their valence shell after the sharing of electron. If you will observe only electronegativity of halogen atom, that is fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine, then you will find that fluorine is what most electronegative atom. So BF3 should be most electron deficient, it should be most electron deficient, and this Bi3 should be what least electron deficient. Why? The iodine electronegativity is very less than the what fluorine. And on the basis of these observation, if you want to arrange these boron halide in an order of electron deficiency, then you will say that A is more electrodeficient than the B, than the C, than the D. And the same way, if you want to arrange in the order of Lewis acidic character order, then you will find A is what stronger acid than the B, than the C, than the D. But for your kind information, these orders are not correct. These are the what? Wrong order. Now again question is that what is the actual order? The actual order of electron deficiency of boron halide is that now after this you will try to search that actually what is the correct order of electron deficiency. So the correct order of electron deficiency of boron halide is that A is what less electron deficient than the B, than the C, than the D. And when you will check the what Lewis acidic character, then you will find BF3A is what less Lewis acidic than the B, than the C, than the D. Now what is the answer of this two contradiction? What is the reason behind it? Why boron halide is not showing this order? Why it is showing this order? Again, in one word, answer will be what? Back bonding. In my previous lecture, I already explained why BF3 will form back bonding. Now in these halides, in these boron halides, we will try to understand what is the extent of back bonding these boron halides. Let's try to understand the extent of back bonding. So if you want to understand why BF3 is forming the back bonding, please watch my last video, then come to this video, then you will easily understand reasons for this order of electron deficiency and Lewis acidic character. So let's try to observe the extent of back bonding in the boron halide. Now, it is already discussed that the boron is having the what empty 2p orbital and halogen atom is having one lone pair of electron in their filled p orbital. But here the p orbitals are different in different halogen atom. In the case of boron, this is the 2p orbital, this is the 2p orbital of boron, which is empty p orbital. In all boron halide, boron is having 2p empty orbital. But now check the condition and state of p orbital of halogen atom. For the fluorine, this is the 2p orbital. For the chlorine, this is the 3p orbital having the one pair of electron. This is 4p orbital for the bromine, and this is the 5p orbital for the iodine. Now let's suppose that all are forming the back bonding. So now this 2p orbital of fluorine will give the one electron pair to this. So here back bonding will be what? 2p pi, 2p pi. In the case of BCl3, back bonding will form, and here the nature of back bonding will be of this back bonding will be what? 2p pi, 3p pi. In the case of BBr3, there is a back bonding, So nature of this back bonding will be what, 2p pi 4p pi. And this Bi3 there is a back bonding, and nature of this back bonding will be what, 2p pi 5p pi. So meaning is what, these back bonding forming the pi bond by the overlapping of p orbitals. Which p orbitals? Empty p orbital of boron and filled p orbital of halogen atom. But now when you will move from BF3 to Bi3, what you will find? One thing you will find, the size of halogen atom increases and electronegativity of halogen atom decreases. Because of increase of size, what will happen? The extent of overlapping between these two p orbital, empty p orbital of boron and the filled p orbital of halogen atom will decrease. So what is the order of extent of overlapping? So extent of overlapping order is this 2p pi overlapping will be stronger than the what, this 2p pi 3p pi overlapping, and this will be stronger than the what, 2p pi 4p pi overlapping, and this will be stronger than the what, 2p pi 5p pi overlapping. So when you will check the extent of overlapping, then 2p pi overlapping is stronger overlapping. So the extent of back bonding will be maximum in the case of 2p pi. So what is the order of extent of back bonding in all boron halide? That will be what, like that. A will have the what, more extent of overlapping than the B, than the C, than the D. So now if extent of overlapping is maximum in the case of this BF3, so what will happen? The electron deficiency of boron atom will be minimum in the case of BF3. Because of what? Effective back bonding. While the electron deficiency of Bi3 will be what? Maximum. Because of the what? This back bonding is not that much effective as in the case of BF3. Reason is that here is a back bonding, but this back bond is what? Weak back bonding. And this back bonding in Bi3 is not decreasing the electron deficiency of boron up to the what? Maximum extent. So because of this, what will happen now? BF3 will have the what? Maximum extent of back bonding, and Bi3 will have the what? Minimum extent of back bonding. Because of this, what will happen? BF3 will be what? Minimum electron deficient, and Bi3 will be what? Maximum electron deficient. So now BF3 is what? Minimum electron deficient, meaning is what? This BF3 will have the what? Minimum tendency to accept the electron pair. And Bi3 is what? Maximum electron deficient, so it is having the what? Maximum tendency to accept the what? Electron pair. And we know that electron pair acceptor are the what? Lewis acid. So what is the order of Lewis acid? Who will be the what? Who will have the what? Strong tendency to accept the electron pair? This Bi3, because it is maximum electron deficient. And who will have the what? Minimum tendency to accept the electron pair? BF3, because it is what? Minimum electron deficient. Why? Because of maximum extent of back bonding. So what is the order of Lewis acid, acidic character order? So this A will be less acidic than the B, then the C, then the D. And what is the order of electron deficiency? Electron deficiency will be same order. A will be less deficient than the B, then the C, then the D. So now we can say that BF3 is what? Weak Lewis acid, and Bi3 is what? Strong Lewis acid. I hope that everyone is understanding this discussion. Thank you very much. Like, share and subscribe my channel.